How are you? I hope you're well. My name is Sonia and this is Sonia Space. I am very happy to make this video and I hope that you are also happy to watch it, because in this video I'm going to be doing something that I don't do often, and that is cleaning my fridge. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I also hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. So keep watching. Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Space. How are you? I hope you're well. So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. You know, the fridge is one household item that doesn't get cleaned regularly. So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my fridge. So if you want to see how I go about this, I want you to keep watching. So this is my fridge, and to start cleaning this fridge I'm going to remove all the food items I have in the fridge. I'm going to first of all remove them and then take out all the racks, everything inside the fridge, then clean the fridge before I wash those racks. So I'm going to be doing that very shortly. We are going to be going for shopping very shortly, and I want to clean this fridge before we go for shopping. So because that is how I like to do. I like to, clean the fridge when I have fewer items in the fridge. I like to clean it before stocking it up, because I don't like cleaning the fridge when it is full. I like cleaning the fridge when we have used up a lot of the items in the fridge. Then I clean it before stocking it back again. So the fridge now, I'm spraying it with this what do you call it now, this fridge and microwave spray, to help remove the odor if there is any odor in the fridge, and also to give it a very fresh smell. When cleaning the fridge, it's not good to open the fridge for more than 2 minutes. So I'm trying to do this very fast, because I don't want to open my fridge down for more than 2 minutes, because it may cause some damages to the fridge. So here I'm through cleaning the fridge, and there is something that I always do. I like cleaning my microwave whenever I clean my fridge. So I'm going to go about cleaning my microwave, and I'm also going to be using this same spray that I use, because this spray is good for both the fridge and the microwave. That is what it is made for, to help remove if there be any odor, and also to give it a very nice and fresh smell. So now I'm through cleaning the microwave, so I just have to wash this whatever you call it that is inside the microwave. I just have to wash it and clean it up and take it back inside the microwave, so I know that I'm through with the microwave. So I'm just going to take it back in the microwave and continue with the cleaning of the fridge. And so I'm cleaning the items inside the fridge, this rack. So this is the biggest part of it, so I'm cleaning it first. I'm just going to clean it, wash it, and then give it a wipe to take away any water in it, drying it properly and taking it back inside the fridge immediately, because the food items, I have my soup, my stew in the fridge that I've taken out of the fridge, so they are standing by. So I need to clean up these items and then take them back inside the fridge so I can put my food items back in the fridge. So I have this protective mat on my rack in the fridge. It helps me to protect these racks, so that whatever comes on those mats does not get in contact with these racks. As you can see, even though I'm still going to end up washing the rack, but it has very few stains on it because that mat has ended up taking up a lot of the stains. So at the end, I will be giving that mat a thorough wash. I don't know if that is what it's called. I just know that it protects these layers that I have inside my fridge. I don't also know what these layers are called. I just call them rack. I hope I'm correct. So I'm just going to be washing this rack. As I said earlier, I'm just going to be washing them, drying them with my towel. I'm taking them back inside the fridge because I need to put my food items back inside the fridge. So I'm just going to be giving this fridge mat a thorough wash, and then I'll be leaving it to air dry before taking it back inside the fridge. So for this video, I'm not going to be placing it back inside the fridge now because I need it to air dry. I need it to be completely dried before taking it back inside the fridge. So my food items can't wait for it to dry. So later, when it has dried up completely, I will be taking it back inside the fridge. But for now, I'm going to leave it to dry up. So I will just take my food items and put them inside the fridge without this mat. So here I've placed my food items back in the fridge, and now I'm just going to be placing back this apple cider vinegar and this fish oil that I for the kids, you know, and vitamins for the kids. I'm just going to be placing them back in the fridge. So this is the look of my fridge after washing. You know, it looks clean, it looks fresh, and that is how I like it to be. So this is the end of this video. I'm very happy and glad to make this video, and I hope that you are also happy to watch it. So till we meet again next time, have a nice day and keep winning. Bye bye.